Come on. Nash, move forward. Hey! Hey, come on. Hey! Come on. Get him, Nash. Get that Batman. Get that Batman, Nash. Get him. Get him, Nash. Hey, get on the ground. You're going to get run over. Come on, Nash. Come on, Nash. Get him, boy. You better stop. You're going to get hit. Come on, Nash. Come on. Come on. Come on, Nash. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Get that Batman, Nash. Get that Batman, Nash. Come on, Nash. Come on, Nash. Go. Come on, Nash. Get that Batman. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get on the ground. You're going to get run over by the horse. Put your hands in your pocket. Get your hands out of your pocket. Get on the ground. Come on, Nash. Come on. He just threw his head. Come on. Come on. Come on. Nash, come on. Get that man. Come on. Come on. Come on, Nash. Come on, Bubba. Come on, Nash. Bro, you're not going to be able to run us on the horse. You better stop. Watch it. Get on the ground right now. Get on the ground. Get on the f***ing ground. Give me Jack. I got him. I got him, Zach. You're good. I got him. I got him. Zach, let go. I got him. Give me, or here, take. Told you were going to outrun us, bro.
While officers get this suspect.
Those are good boys. Good boys. It was where it was at, right? When we came into McDonald's?
Yeah, it's on the other side. You want to stay with him? I'm going to go because I saw right where it was at.
Go, yeah, go with him.
They started out over there. I saw the horses and then came down the sidewalk here by the fence line and then came through like where the sign is over here and then trotted through right here. Came right through here. And they were like, stop, stop! And then they called it in at the McDonald's.
Did you see her throwing anything?
I just saw arms flailing, that's it.
Come on. Yeah. You got him for a minute?
I got it for now.
I'm going to go look where he was throwing stuff. Boy, that's a good boy, Nash. Got that Batman. Good job, Bubba. Good boy. It was a good boy. Should be like right here somewhere.
Where did he dump the 73?
They're gonna grab that stuff right now.
It was somewhere like right here. He started throwing stuff out of his pocket. So if you just get out and walk around. It was like small is the problem.
Yeah, I know.
It wasn't a lot.
Is that your bag right here?
Let me go grab some gloves. Hang on.
Good job on the radio, bro. It's really good. Really good.
You got a beautiful ride there.
Thanks, thanks.
Hey man, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Hey, good. Stand up for me. Turn around. Yeah, turn around. All right. Well, you're being detained right now, yeah.
For what?
Well,
Narcotics.
Possession of narcotics.
I said potential narcotics.
What did I do?
well, you're being detained right now, so. You have anything in?
No.
No? No weapons or anything? Come on over here to my car.
Since officers can't find.
Come talk to me. I'm not gonna beat around the bush. They want you to trespass from here because you go in the bathroom and do whatever you do. I don't have time to deal with that right now, okay? See all this? Yes. We got stuff going on. So hey, you want me to go grab you something to drink?
Yes.
Just wait out here. Just wait outside right here. I'm gonna grab you something, okay?
So it looks like, I guess, this lady I have in my backseat, I guess she did a hand-to-hand with someone over there, 13. They tried to stop him, and he 10-8'd.
The guy 10-8?
Yeah, guy 10-8'd. And I think they got him over there at like the Burger King, maybe.
Okay.
Or the McDonald's.
She got it or she gave it?
I think she gave it. So I've just got her. I'm going to get her name and everything, but I think they're all down there.
All right, man.
Not saying that you're under arrest and you're going to be arrested, but you're just not free to go right now. You laughing or what? Or was that a cough?
I'm just laughing.
You're laughing? Okay, what you laughing about?
I just thought of a joke in my brain.
Okay.
Let's search him and I'll throw him in my car.
Alright. Hold on, what the hell is in that bag right there?
Oh, just food.
Food and what?
Chips.
Chips. Somebody Miranda's?
Not yet.
I ain't got that.
Okay.
I don't know. All right, come on, step on up, bud. You got anything in your pockets I need to know about? What's your name, man? Joe, when was the last time you were arrested, buddy?
Got out like 4 months ago.
What was you in there for?
For possession.
That's what I thought. Come on, let's go.
But I ain't made no possession today.
Yeah, I know. You had possession last time, but not this time.
What's your name again, brother? Oh, you're swapping the cuffs?
Yeah. You're not gonna fight with me, are you? That wouldn't be good, because this guy right here, man, he's...
Yeah, we don't want those problems. Gotta stay out of trouble, man.
No, I ain't do nothing.
Okay.
They just started chasing me in our ring. I got scared.
All right, have a seat. All right, listen. You have the right to remain silent. With that said, do you want to tell, you said you didn't throw some drugs down. Do you want to talk to me about that? That you didn't throw drugs down?
No, I ain't throwing no drugs down.
Okay.
These are yours, right? Thank you, sir. Where do you think he...
So I saw him throwing the stuff literally right in that corner of the McDonald's over there.
Yeah, he threw this.
Was there anything in
Yeah, just sandwich and
Yeah, I saw him.
I was just running.
Well, what did you throw down? I mean, because maybe worst case scenario, we got littering or something. Who knows? What did you throw down? Just a sandwich or food or what? Listen, here's the deal. You're going to be on body camera throwing stuff down. So what was it? Is it food? Did you get some food from somewhere? Or because you have food in that bag?
No, I just got scared. I started.
Yeah. Okay. Because their body cams are going to show you throwing stuff, dude. You might as well say, hey, if it's food or something, we can deal with that. We got your little littering thing, right?
Oh, no.
Oh, okay. All right, slide on in. Hang tight.
Under Florida Statute Section 901.15, suspicion immediately satisfying Terry versus Ohio without Jordan's flight did not create the legal basis for the stop. Under Illinois versus Wardlow, 2000, flight is a relevant factor, but unnecessary here. Critically, flight itself a criminal offense under Florida Statute, Section 843, drug contact into a guaranteed misdemeanor conviction. Under California versus Hodari D, 1000, the suspect is not seized until physically restrained. Had drug possession charges would have followed. Its absence foreclosed the stronger charge. Alexis's detention tracks Florida versus Bostick. Person is seized, feel free to leave. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, 1000. However, the partial advisement given to the male suspect immediately, followed by interrogation, creates a suppression risk.
I mean, so he didn't throw nothing, y'all a bunch of liars.
Oh, yeah. She's watching her body camera right now to see if she can get a better.
All right.
When you put in, I guess when you hook your camera to it, I guess it makes you put in an access code. And of course, it sent it to my personal email. But our laptop's not working, of course. It won't connect to the internet. And then on my phone, it didn't work. So I swear by memory it was right here. Someone could have picked it up, or it's in the bushes. It was very small what he threw. A car could have ran it over by now. The girl he handed off to, though, if they can get it on her, that's great. If not, then I guess just jail for resisting. I don't know.
All right, ma'am, come on, step on out. This officer right here is gonna search it real quick.
I guess camera is the dude can't be here for another hour, 2 hours before he can get here to access the camera. So
you think he dumped something before here too?
Yeah, I think it was all right there in that McDonald's.
Hey man, I'm gonna toss this out. Is that cool? I'm gonna throw it away. You can't take this into jail, is what I'm saying.
If you end up going to jail, we're going to throw it in the trash. You can't have it in jail, and we can't keep it for you. We don't have any other choice.
Yeah, all right. So I'm going to throw it out, okay?
I hate that our laptop won't work.
I've got everything's done. I got the cursor between two lines. If you just want to knock out a real quick narrative.
Yeah, I can. Are you comfortable holding him?
That's fine.
Okay.
He's bigger than me, but I think he'll be all right.
If he tries to eat the grass or pull back to them, just, yeah. Okay. And just watch your feet.
That's a good horse. That's a good horse. Hey, look here for a selfie. Yeah.
Oh, that's not a horse.
A police horse.
Do you know how to ride a horse, Dad?
Yeah, I've ridden horses. I'm not saying I'm an expert, but I've got one right here.
He's
See?
like, I can
And he's a
probably
good
get on
horse.
it and not fall off immediately.
Yeah. Oh, you're funny. That's not nice, Mary. See? They even, this one don't have, they actually normally have badges right there on their chest. There's one right here. My daughter's a horse freak, so we're FaceTiming. See, they got their own badges too.
Did they catch the guy?
Yeah, they're on a horse. How are they not going to catch him? He was on foot.
What are these people down there thinking when they come at them, galloping on a horse?
You use the word thinking. There's your first mistake. See? He's even laughing at you. All right, well, let me let you go. I actually have to do some work today. Love y'all. Bye, buddy.
You don't have anything else on you, do you? Can't have nothing on her but a crack pipe. We can go back and look at that area. Yeah, let's do that if you guys don't mind. They're gonna go check one more time at that spot, and if not, then you got a crack pipe. And was she resisting? No? No? Okay. I would love for them to be.
Complete the warning. Obtain an explicit waiver. Mounted unit forces analyzed under Graham versus Connor. Immediacy of threat and active resistance. Jordan fled a narcotics scene while allegedly no firearms, no impact weapons, no chemical agents. The crack pipe recovered from Alexis was obtained during lawful pat-down. Florida Statute Section 893.147 classifies it as drug. Charge is unassailable. Grades. The mounted officers receive a B+, legally grounded. Partial Miranda sequencing before interrogation costs the full grade. Jordan received